If a year ago you told me that you could grow sweet potatoes in bags, I'd probably be very skeptical. But now seeing is absolutely believing, and I can't wait to show you all this sweet potato harvest, which will be followed next week by a sweet potato growing guide. Let's do it. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining in. This is Dylan from the Trini Gardener channel, and I'm so excited for this video because we're going to be doing a sweet potato harvest. If you've seen any of my two other sweet potato harvests that I'll put up here, before you know I'm just like a child at Christmas when it's time to harvest sweet potatoes. I just can't contain myself. It's just so cool to just have nothing, just have leaves, and then underneath the leaves you have like something that you would have paid money for and that can actually fill you and have you eating good with just, I don't know, this is the least amount of resources possible. And again, I have mentioned this before, but I'm so grateful to my friends, my home gardeners out in Ghana, because in Ghana this is the technique that they use a lot of the times, and you know, it's just available and it's just so cool. It's such an amazing way to be self-sustainable, to not be running to an agro shop every time you have an issue, to make use and, you know, recycle, upcycle, all of that in a way that is 100% organic, super affordable. Anybody could do this. So I'm very, very grateful to my friends out in Ghana. If anyone in Ghana is watching, I'm so thankful for these techniques and I'm so glad that you all have shared it. I follow there's like a Ghana group of home gardeners on Facebook, and it's always amazing to see the different techniques that you have all over the world, and in this case this technique from Ghana. I'm just really excited to see what it would have yielded and what we're going to end up getting in this sweet potato harvest, because you never know what you get with sweet potatoes. The main thing is to try your best and always hope for the best. Let's get going. You probably can't even tell that there are bags under here because sweet potatoes, they grow just so crazy. But yeah, we do have some bags, and I'm going to be taking one or two out, putting it into a wheelbarrow, and we'll see what we get from there. Now the thing about these bags is that they will probably start to burst on you. It's completely fine. It's the nature of the game, and also if there's moisture passing through them, they'll like actually start to almost compost. Okay, we've got this one out. So many vines. Okay, so you can already see how much vine you have. It's crazy. For this one bag, all of this is vine. It's just ridiculous how it grows, and all of this you could use to plant back, if you remember from my growing guide. Okay, so I'm just gonna start pulling. I'll just probably empty the bag up. Whoa, this is crazy. This is crazy. Look at this. Hopefully you can see that from a bag. God, so cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna do all my bags because I don't want to just have more sweet potatoes than I can use. But yeah, this is a smaller bag. Up. Right. Cool. How cool is that? It's a smaller bag, so I didn't expect a bigger harvest. As big a harvest as the last one, but still, really cool. Okay, this is the fourth official bag, but the third one on the video. Up. Whoa, quantity we might not have, but quality for sure. Look at the size of this one. So nice. Goodness, and the color is just so vibrant. It's just wow. Oh my god. Look at this. If you're squirmish, just look away. Yeah. If you're squirmish, then just look away from the camera. Just take out the video right now, but I have to show you this. Look at the size of this worm. Look at that. Always a good sign to have this in your soil. Very good. Okay, so small quantities in this bag as well. And you can eat this, you can also plant it back anywhere in the world. I'm noticing that these bags with a smaller mouth getting smaller sweet potatoes, so it's probably a moisture problem. When they get less moisture to grow. Oh yeah, we have, this is cool. So I like these two here, just hiding out inside it. Really cool. So yeah, sometimes lack of moisture all throughout the growing season can be a problem. Okay, I think I'll stop there and I'll leave the rest of the bags. I have like 4 more bags there and I'll let them grow. And in the meanwhile, I'll show you all what the harvest today look like, and then we'll go over into the growing guide. That'll be a separate video, so stick around for that next week. Sweet potatoes grown entirely in bags, not even expensive grow bags, just cheap, basically free poultry bags from poultry feed, and you know, nothing complicated, nothing expensive at all. Super affordable, super accessible for everyone, and I really hope that you learned something from this video. Some of the common questions that I get after these sweet potato harvest videos are how long I left the sweet potatoes in the bag. Of course, I'll answer these questions when I do my sweet potato growing guide, but just a short summary. These sweet potatoes, they were planted in probably about 1 gallon to 2 gallons of soil. They were left in the bags for let's say 4.5 months. All right, so I think in terms of actual weeks, it's probably like 13-14 weeks that they were in the ground itself. I was supposed to harvest them like a few weeks ago, but I wanted to leave them a bit longer so that they could, you know, swell a little bit more. And one important thing, of course, that I'm always learning is about moisture. The more moisture that you have, the more access that the sweet potato has to moisture, the bigger sweet potatoes are. And of course, there are other tricks with sweet potatoes, but I'll get more into that when we do the sweet potato growing guide. So I really hope, of course, that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming the video for you all. But of course, I hope that you more importantly learned something from this video, and I hope it's going to encourage you and going to help you to become more self-sustainable and see how easy it is to grow healthy organic food without having to spend a lot of money, and also to learn from people that live in other countries and different cultures who can teach us so much that we will never think about. And you know, it's never a good thing to just say you've always been doing the exact same thing in the exact same way for the past 100 years. Try new things, see what new techniques there are out there, and see if it's for you. If it's not for you, fine, but you never know, and you won't know until you try it. So of course, if you know someone who'd be interested in this kind of information, then share the video and share the channel with them to help them to grow more healthy organic food for themselves and their family. And as always, as the breeze is here, this has been done with the Trini Gardener channel, reminding you to get up and get growing. Take care.